Привіт-привіт, my dear friends. My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video lesson, I'm going to teach you one very useful Ukrainian verb that has lots of interesting meanings. But before we start, I would like to ask you, traditionally, to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. So, поїхали! Let's get started! So, me and my students are often faced with this verb, and I thought, it is a very useful one because you can use it in many situations, and it can change different verbs, and it is a synonym to many verbs in Ukrainian language. And this verb is займатися. Займатися. Please repeat after me. Займатися. Займатися is the reflexive verb. It ends in ся, and ся is the reflexive ending. Займатися can be translated as to do, to practice, to study, to go in for, to be engaged in. So many meanings. So let's conjugate it, and then I will give you examples with its usage. So, я займаюся, ти займаєшся, він, вона, воно займається, ми займаємося, ви займаєтеся, and вони займаються. Okay. Займатися. Also, I wanted to tell you that after this verb, we use the instrumental case. Why? Because that's the rule, and we have the set of the verbs after which we use instrumental case. For example, they are to be, to become, to speak the language. All the rules when we use the instrumental case you can find in my textbook Master Ukrainian Cases. Yes, I'm the author of this great book that helps so many people to learn Ukrainian language. Okay, now examples. So, займатися йогою. It means to do yoga. Займатися йогою. So yoga, it means yoga, and this is a feminine gender noun, so it takes ending ou in the instrumental case. Or if you want to say займатися спортом, to go in for sport. Займатися спортом. Sport, it's a masculine gender noun, so it takes ending om in the instrumental case. So, the next one, займатися медициною, to study medicine. Медицина, it's nominative, медициною, it's instrumental case. Займатися медитацією, to practice meditation. Займатися медитацією. Медитація, nominative case, медитацією, instrumental case. Займатися новим проєктом, to be engaged in new project. Займатися новим проєктом. Here we have adjective plus noun in the instrumental case. Новий проєкт, it's nominative case. Новим проєктом is instrumental case. So please pay attention. So, I taught you a new Ukrainian verb, which is займатися. And it is very important to know it because you can use it in many ways, and this verb can change many other verbs and it can be a synonym for them. And I explained you that after it we use instrumental case and gave you examples. Please write your example with this verb in the comments below. I will check it out because what is the best way to learn new Ukrainian words? It's to practice them. is to use them, to make examples with them. Believe me, it works very well. I do it together with my students. So guys, I want to invite you to be my students at my course From Absolute Beginner to a Confident Speaker, which will be launched on October 17. This is the 7th edition of my course. Wow, I'm super excited about it because I created this course 1 year ago. It was released in September 2021, and now I launch it for the 7th time. I'm super happy about it. So if you want to learn Ukrainian from scratch, if you have a beginner level but you have a lot of empty spaces, you don't remember some rules, you are not confident in cases, then please welcome also to my course. I will be so happy to teach you Ukrainian language. Also check out my website speaker.com. There you can reserve private lessons with the professional native teachers. You can get Ukrainian textbooks, flashcards. I have free resources for you, so it's great school for learning Ukrainian language, and I created and collected everything that you need to become fluent in Ukrainian language. Also, if you think, is it all? I want more, Ina, I want more lessons. Okay, if you want more, then welcome to my Instagram account, Speak Ukrainian Language. Please subscribe. I have more than 500 video lessons there, so check it out. Please support me on Patreon. Please support Ukrainian Army. The most important right now is to support our angels, our soldiers, because they are the sponsor of my life and this video lesson. So please do it. I ask you a lot about it. And if you want to support people in Kherson, in the occupied Kherson, then please check out my charity store, buy a t-shirt, Save Ukrainian Life. I think I said everything. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much. Love you from Ukraine. Your teacher Ina and Papa. Bye bye.